Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and today I have for you a review on some of the Born Pretty store items that were sent to me as in the celebration of their 8th anniversary, which ends Tuesday, October the 16th. And yes, my items were a little late on getting to me, but nonetheless I would love to share with you what I have, so in case you're still interested in going out, and if you haven't done any shopping yet and you'd like to include any of these in your shopping cart, you'll see what they're like and how they work. So I have two gel polishes. One of them, let me see which one this is. This is a color changing one. Here it is, and it changes from a deep purple. I know it looks pretty dark there. It is a cream, so it changes from a deep purple to a pink when it's warm. And the other one that I have, it's a cat eye, and I will have the names for you. I'll show you, tell you what the names are. This one is gorgeous, so pretty. It's a turquoise, and I did a swatch over itself just so the cat eye line, it's in gold. It's got that gold shimmer. But then I also did it over black, so you can see what it will do over a different color. And this stamping plate that I have here, yes, it is a Christmas stamping plate. Let me tell you which one. This is L003. But I was very interested in this plate because of the sweater. As you can see, it's very different from well, at least it's different for me, for anything else that I've seen before. It kind of has like those needle point designs. Aren't they cute? So yes, I figure I could use these for sweater weather as well. Not so much, not quite getting into Christmas, but like this one, I thought it would be nice for a sweater weather design just before Christmas arrives. And yeah, there's some cute in this one too. So not all of them are too Christmassy. And so I will go ahead, I'm going to show you some swatches on these, and I will go ahead and do swatches on the polishes as well, and then at the end I'll meet you back for my final thoughts, and I will have a design done on my nails. I already have them prepped here with my latex. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so there you saw how beautiful these polishes apply. Look at this cat eye there. This is absolutely gorgeous over the black, and this is using the round magnet. And here it is. This is the same application that I use on my nails. Now on my nails I ended up doing 3 coats, okay, to really hide that line between my white tips and the natural bed. But there it is with the straight line. And there you saw how this changes very beautiful between the purple and pink. It turns pink with the warm water. And this is a, yes, I did mention that this is a cream, and this, you can see the shimmer on that beautiful cat eye. So here they are, the 2 of them. And let me show you, so let me zoom out. Okay, so doing the swatches on this plate, I did find that it does take the right stamper and the right polish to really get them right. If you notice, when I didn't struggle at all when I was doing my nails, because by then I already had a feeling for what worked and what worked best on using this stamper, or using this plate I should say. Because yeah, these needles, there's nothing here that is a solid line. Everything, every image is like pixels. Everything, it's a little bitty dot. And I was surprised. I was amazed. I was very curious, because one of the reasons I ordered this plate, I chose this plate, was because I was very curious as to how well these images were going to do. So that's why you saw that I went with some of them. I went several times, and you see the difference. I mean, look at the difference between how I did here versus here. And that's just a different stamper, okay? I used the same polish. This was the Funky Fingers Black. But yeah, and I do want to mention, as you saw on this image right here, this is, for some reason, and I know there's no way all these plates are going to be like that, but this particular plate that came to me does have a flaw, which is unfortunate. But yes, this very image right here in the corner, as you can see, it didn't get etched on the plate, so that's unfortunate. And as you guys know, that Born Pretty put out some very good quality stamping plates out there. So yeah, I'm not gonna give it a negative review to the entire collection of these plates out there because of that, but I will say this was just a bad batch that came out. Nonetheless, I'm very happy that I got it. I can definitely enjoy all the rest of the images. Beautiful, and I'm very happy how I have to admit, I was not sure what I was going to pair up with this turquoise, but I thought I think the brown did really well, and I think it turned out super cute. Alright, remember that at checkout, if you apply my code in the comments section, it's IDUK31, IDUK31, and I will scroll it at the bottom of the screen. You can you'll get a surprise gift with your order. It's not too late. One of the things that I like about Born Pretty, so they have free shipping. Even if you already placed an order yesterday, you can add more to it today, add more again to it tomorrow, and you'll never pay shipping. So that's excellent. And I will have all the links to these items down in the description bar below. I would like to thank Born Pretty for sending me these beautiful items to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed this review and this video, please give my video a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.